Huh? Can't count, you know. Fully in a Rolexx.
Fully in my father. Roof and bridges.
Yeah, man, that's the thing, there, man.
Champagne.
And yeah, we are the real family, them apart. You hear that?
Roof and bridging.
Alright, you hear that? Duh?
Oh.
I'm out.
It's a tape.
Viewer subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, One Dan is at it again, and this time he linked up with producer Rolexx Waide, and as you all can see, it was all love and respect between Vybz Kartel and Rolexx Waide. But not tell no lie, people, the link up and a normal is a good look, is a big look, is a great look, no joke, talk truth no man.
Guys, I'm a real.
So viewer subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, One Dan at it again, and this time he takes the time out to show off his 3 sons with Shawty. Yeah, people, because we all know say a Shawty 3 youth them same way, and me not tell no lie, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look. We see Vybz Kartel outside with them 3 sons them living them best life, and people, we all know say yo, it's never a normal link up when Vybz Kartel link up with them 3 sons them. Talk truth no man. Viewer subscribers, Pinkx is at it again, and this time Pinkx do her lip. Yeah, people, as you all can see, Pink have some new lips, you know. Yeah, man, and me not tell no lie, people. Me never know say them service yeah, they in a Jamaica. Me never know say it's a Jamaica upgrade. I be things are going on a yard, yeah, man. Talk truth, no.
Totally in love with my new lips because they're more fuller, and I used to have like issues, and confidence level was very low because the bottom lip bigger than the top lip, and then but right now I can feel the fullness of it, and I just can't wait to go out, put on makeup and everything, and just make people see my lip. Beautiful. Hey guys, so it's an update on my lips. So it's one day, and this is the day after doing my lips, and it's a little swollen right now, but I didn't think that I would be doing anything today, so I didn't think anyone would really see me, but girl busy, so girl.
Yo, Pinkx. Me not tell no lies still, You see a new lip them. Then a normal, them bad, them wicked, them mad, them sicked. Talk truth no people, even though as you all can see and hear a Pinkx I say, the lip them swell right now, but me know say yo, them soon get better. Just give them look time Pinkx. You know it thing already done. Oh, I will.
Get called, girl have to move. So girl is on the move like this. Lip you want, lip you shall get. People don't laugh, but me first laugh. Alright. So right now my lip is looking like a lip. But you don't laugh, okay? It's gonna look better, I promise.
If sexy lip was a person, it have to name Pinkx. Talk truth no man. And one thing with Pinkx, she ever dep on the go people. A real hustler, as you all heard her, even though she never know say yo, she would have go up on the road today because she didn't want the time to heal her lips. But right now, Pinkx have it outside on the hustling because you know say them girl are a real hustler in a real life. Yeah, people, and she rep the Gaza from them time till now. Yeah, man. I just want to say, big up yourself, Pinkx. Every time, one up, done up.
That's rich.
So people, but they have to put them two clip here in another video here. No joke about that. I one thing with Vybz Kartel, you know, man. The man no normal, you know, man. People, you know, so the other night, the man stay so boom and book out Club Mecca for him and him friend them party. Yeah, man. The man say, yo, him feel bored. So him call the boss for Club Mecca and book out the club. For him and him friend them alone party. And one thing, Vybz Kartel in the normal still in the man. The man of the world great. Talk shoot no people. The man in the name world boss for nothing. The man in the name world boss for something. Vybz Kartel, you're bad, you're wicked, you're mad, you're sick kid. No joke. Talk shoot no people. If Shelling Club was a person, it often name Vybz Kartel. And me just want to say, yo, big up yourself, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, one done, world great, do, oh, oh. There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was a clip of Vybz Kartel and him friend them at Shell Club Mecca and people, the Gina normal, the man just book out the whole club, for him and him friend them party. No joke about that. Only a one done could have do that. What more can Vybz Kartel do? Yo people, the man and half do nothing more. Because of one thing me know, 18 can't stop great things. Remember me tell you now, and I'm not even going to talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers and all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybz Kartel linking up with producer Rolexx Waide and Vybz Kartel showing off his 3 sons with Shawty and also Pinkx doing our lip. Them bad, them wicked, them hot, them cool, is a hit or them miss. Yeah, man. I want to see all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them and all of the dancehall fans them spam up the comment section and make me know what I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Sian and I'm out.
See an entertainment review. See an entertainment review. Yeah, see an channel art. Dog, me say them art. Eat art. See an channel art. Yeah, me say them art. See I know the prayer. Don't know how big than I represent for see an entertainment reviews. What we're enough to stay attention when them on the drop news. Remember to subscribe to him channel. Like and comment and share to a friend. I be give we outside.